Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to manually install and activate the Pod AI Automator add-on. No Chrome Web Store required. Step 1. Download and extract the add-on after purchase. You'll receive a file called podiautomator.zip. Right-click the file and select Extract here. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see files like manifest.json, popup.html. Step 2. Install the add-on manually. Open Chrome, then go to this URL, chrome://extension/ in the top right corner, toggle on developer mode. Click Load Unpacked, select the folder you just extracted. Step 3. Register your account. Once installed, click the add-on icon in your browser. The first time you open it, you'll see a registration form. Just enter your full name, the email you used when purchasing. Notes are optional. Then, click Register. The system will automatically verify your email and activate your access. No extra confirmation needed. Step 4. Start using the add-on. Once registered, you can now generate trending design prompts, send prompts to ChatGPT automatically, download all images and organize them into folders, use built-in GPTs to write SEO titles, descriptions, and tags for Etsy, Redbubble, Amazon, and more. Notes and reminders. The add-on does not auto-upload products to marketplaces. You'll still upload manually. Make sure to keep your browser window open during generation. Enter the correct email you used for purchase to activate successfully. That's it. You're now ready to use Pod AI Automator add-on and save hours every week, letting AI handle the boring stuff so you can focus on selling.